Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're good wherever you're watching me from. This is Cubes Out in case you're new to this channel. Yes, on today's video, we'll be learning how to make a large portion of peppered sauce for parties. This was done for a birthday party. Okay, so let us just dive right into the video. Okay, so this is the chicken. It's already marinated and then getting ready to be fried, while the fish, croaker fish, was already done frying. And yes, fish and chicken are what was actually prepared as the protein for the event. And this is a part of the things we're going to be using for the peppered sauce for the chicken and the fish. And so right here the chicken is being fried, and after the frying we just go straight into the pepper sauce preparation. And yes, before, at the beginning of this video, I showed you the pepper, that's the blended pepper. That was blended pepper with ginger, garlic and onion that you saw at the beginning, and it was already cooked to dry, so it was already cooked and just waiting for the frying. And so this is the onion that I was going to be using for this. And yeah, sorry, this is a cubes out, but they're using cube for this preparation. It's not my cooking. Yeah, so bear with me. And this is the pepper sauce that's already been fried, and so they are scooping out some quantity in order to get the quantity that I'll be using for the peppering of this chicken. And so you can see there, everything you see right in there is pepper, onion, ginger, garlic. Yeah, and we're going to be using the carrots and the other things at the later part of this video. So after frying your chicken, normally you now fry your pepper sauce and then introduce your chicken back into it and then cook. This is no longer frying, this is cooking. So you cook it for some minutes for the chicken to get, soaked in the pepper sauce. Yeah, and so they just added more pepper sauce. I think the first one was not going to be enough, and so you just have to cook it for some minutes until everything infuses into the chicken. And so guys, that's just the basic thing for this. This is just how to get this done. So when it was done and brought out and put in the cooler, the sliced carrots and green pepper and some onion too was just sprayed on top and cover it for it to infuse its flavors into the chicken. And that's just it, guys. This is where I'm going to call this a day until I see you in my next video. Please stay safe and bye bye.